If you are struggling to get the spacing correct on your Canva mobile website, then I have a trick that I have figured out so that you can have the correct spacing when you are creating your Canva website so that it's optimized for mobile. So if I show you a page that I'm working on this particular website, as you can see here that we have got this lovely spacing around the text here, and I'm just going to actually move it across a little bit so that it looks really lovely and elegant. There's lots of lovely white space around the text, which is what you want for your websites to look really elegant, professional, easy to consume. So if I go to the mobile version though, if I click on mobile and then go to that area of the website, you'll see here, so we've got our image here, that there isn't any spacing around the text. So what we want to have with a website that looks really elegant, we want to have the right use of spacing around your text. So as you can see, it hasn't added the spacing between the main body text and the title text and this area here, and there's no spacing around this text area. So what we want to do is add spacing so that it looks really lovely and professional. So if we go back, so what you need to do is, it will not add the spacing to the mobile version. You have to create your own way of adding the spacing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Elements, I'm going to find a rectangle, and then I am going to place this above the text here. I'm going to place another one below the text here and make sure that it's nicely spaced between all of them so that they're a sort of similar distance away from the text blocks. And then I'm going to duplicate this top one and then move it down here. Just check it's got a nice bit of space. I'm just going to remove this gap here. Move it up a little bit. And then I'm going to change the colour to the background colour. And then if I go back to preview, and we want the mobile version, you'll see that we've got the lovely spacing here. So this is the only way that I have been able to, work around this issue with Canva mobile websites. So they don't give you the option to edit the mobile version of your website that you design in Canva. So this is just a really easy way. So I hope that tip helps, and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.